I hit this issue to date, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're trying to check your statements on the HSBC app, follow these steps to make it easy. Step 1. Open the HSBC app. Launch the HSBC app on your mobile device. Make sure you have the latest version installed to avoid any glitches. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your login credentials, including your username and password. If you've forgotten your password, there's a reset option available. Step 3. Navigate to Accounts. Once logged in, look for the Accounts tab at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to a list of your accounts. Step 4. Select the account. Tap on the specific account for which you want to view the statement. This will open up the account details. Step 5. Access Statement View. In Account Details, find the Statements or Transaction History option. Tap on it to view your recent statements. You can also filter by date if needed. Just a quick note, if you don't see the Statements option, make sure your app is updated or check if your account type offers this feature. I hope this helps you easily check your statements. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask.